Your entry door is more than just a functional part of your home. It's a focal point that sets the tone for your property's overall style. Whether you live in a sleek modern home, a timeless traditional residence, or a Mediterranean-inspired villa, choosing the right entry door is key to enhancing your curb appeal, security, and home value. For homeowners in Deltona, Florida, where architectural styles vary and climate durability matters, finding the perfect blend of style and performance is essential. Here's a guide to the best entry doors for modern, traditional, and Mediterranean-style homes in Deltona. Modern homes. Clean lines and sleek design. Modern architecture focuses on simplicity, minimalism, and functionality. If your Deltona home has a flat roofline, open floor plan, and large windows, you'll want an entry door that complements this aesthetic. Best entry door options. Flush panel doors with smooth surfaces and minimal ornamentation. And steel or fiberglass doors with slim, horizontal glass inserts for a bold, clean look. Matte black or brushed metal finishes for a contemporary vibe. Pivot doors that add architectural flair and modern edge. These door types create a sophisticated, uncluttered entrance that aligns with modern design while offering energy efficiency and security. Must-haves in Florida's hot and storm-prone climate. Traditional homes. Classic charm with character. Traditional style homes in Deltona often include colonial, Cape Cod, or craftsman influences, with features like gabled roofs, symmetrical layouts, and detailed trim. These homes benefit from entry doors that offer warmth, richness, and timeless beauty. Best entry door options. Wood or wood-look fiberglass doors with raised panels and elegant detailing doors with sidelights and transoms for a classic, welcoming touch. Warm tones like mahogany, cherry, or oak to complement brick, siding, or stone exterior. Decorative glass inserts featuring beveled or leaded glass. These doors provide a timeless appeal and inviting charm that enhances the curb appeal of any traditional style home in Deltona. Mediterranean style homes. Elegant and earthy. Mediterranean architecture is known for its stucco walls, red tile roofs, wrought iron details, and arched entries. This style is popular in warm climates like Deltona due to its breezy, sun-soaked feel. Best entry door options. Arched wood doors with ironwork accents or glass panels. Knotty alder or rustic mahogany finishes for that old world, earthy character. Wrought iron grills or scrollwork to reflect Mediterranean flair. Rounded or double door configurations for a grand, welcoming entry. These doors blend artistry with function and complement stucco exteriors and tiled walkways commonly seen in Mediterranean-inspired homes across Deltona. Features to consider in all styles. No matter your home's architectural design, Deltona homeowners should also consider practical features that enhance performance and value. Hurricane-resistant construction. Choose doors rated for Florida's storm season to ensure safety and code compliance. Energy efficiency. Look for insulated cores, weather stripping, and low-E glass to reduce energy costs. Security enhancements. Opt for multi-point locking systems and impact-resistant glass. Low maintenance. Fiberglass and steel options often mimic the look of real wood without the upkeep. These features ensure your door stands up to Deltona's heat, humidity, and storms while maintaining beauty and function. Final thoughts. The right door defines your home. Your entry door is the gateway to your home's personality. By choosing a door that matches your home's architectural style, whether it's modern, traditional, or Mediterranean, you elevate its character and boost curb appeal. Add in Florida-specific features like storm resistance and energy savings, and you've got a door that's both stylish and smart. Ready to upgrade your Deltona home's entrance? Consult with a local door installation expert to explore design options, materials, and custom features that fit your home's style and your lifestyle.